Good morning, everybody. Today is a special little vlog. First of all, I got eyeliner on my lid. It is a special vlog because today, I don't know if it's across North America, but at least across Canada, it is Take Your Kid to Work Day. It's for grade 9s. I'm sure you guys all went to work with your parents in grade 9 as well. I certainly did. My niece is in grade 9 and today she is coming to work with me. I thought it'd be neat to teach her some new skills. Obviously she's really passionate about photography, and so I'd love to like show her how to use the camera and the lights, and so I kind of have like a jam-packed work day for myself today, so it's like kind of a good day for her to come along. So she slept over last night. I woke her up a little bit ago, so let's go tell her that I'm ready to go. And I hope maybe through this video you guys maybe learn some stuff too. I don't know, I thought this would be like a really fun vlog to do, so let's get going. Hello? Hello! You're not Kay. Hola! You ready? Be world famous YouTuber? JK. Oaks is ready. Wow, look at you. Look at you. You're such a good cuddle partner. Is he a good cuddle partner? What would we rate him? 10 out of 10? 10 out of 10? Oh, look at your little nose. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so this is Kaylin. This is my brother's daughter. And you're in grade 9. So how old are you? 14. 14. What's your favorite band? You do know! What's your favorite band? My Chemical Romance. She likes the goods. I was telling her last night that's what I listened to when I was her age. So I was 14 when she was born, and that's how old she is now. So sometimes I feel like when I'm talking to her I age myself a lot, but I'm not that old, am I? She says am I a cool aunt?
Yeah.
See? I'm a cool aunt, y'all. Okay, so typically I don't usually like do this every day. Like I don't go and take an Instagram photo every day, but because you're here, I'm gonna put you to work because I can't, it's really hard to take pictures of myself, so I'm gonna get you to do it. I saw this cool wall, we're gonna drive to it. Cool? Okay. This is the wall that I want to take a photo on. This pink little building, really cute. I thought it'd be a cute photo. Yeah? Got it! Y'all, it's so cold out. It's like too cold to be taking photos like this anymore. So I wanted to tell Kay something, so I said that I would tell it to her on camera, but like I know getting a job like as a 14-year-old is tough, right? Like you're 14 and it's hard because you need to like be driven to places and like have a way there and all that kind of stuff. So like I was thinking, like if this goes well today, which so far so good, you didn't complain at all, you took my direction very well with the Instagram pic. Sometimes like I need someone to help me take photos and stuff, so maybe we could always do it like maybe once a week you would help me out, and then I would obviously pay you for it, and then that could be like your way of like making money, you know? And it's a pretty easy job. I know I'm a bit bossy, but like I told her like, oh, you need a little bit less grass in the photo, and you know, she did it again and she took it. I need the help and you obviously want the money, so if we do good today, if she doesn't complain all day long, maybe. Got my assistant heading to the studio. Chop chop! Welcome to Studio Tasha. Shay Tasha. Are you ready? We're gonna film a video today. Give me thumbs up. Oh, I'm such an embarrassing aunt. Lucky for Kaylin, we got a package today. And I actually ordered some new studio equipment, so I can show you. And we got this. It's a new light. I got a light to go up there. So it's gonna be like a hair light. So that's what this is. But the light bulbs for it didn't come. So we'll probably put this together a little bit later and I'll show you guys what it is. But we can't use it today for filming. Pull it, one of them. That's the wrong one. Pull the other one. all the way to the floor. Because we're filming here with studio lights, you have to shut that blind so that none of the outdoor light, so there's a little thing you can pull on it, pull it down. So grab the camera. To use the tripod, you have to press down here and then that will hold it. So then you should be able to put the tripod into there. There's a tripod plate on it already. And then once it's in, it should lock into place. I always just press this just to make sure that it's like locked in there good. And then this is the microphone. So you're gonna have to put the microphone on. This is the little thing and it goes in here. Slide it in. Yep, and then so once it's in you have to tighten this. So you're gonna turn it. There's these little labels. This one says microphone, so you wanna open this up and then you're gonna plug the microphone in. When I'm filming, I can't see the back of the camera, obviously, right? Because it's not facing to me. So what I do is I set up the camera to the laptop and I tether it so that when I'm sitting there filming, I can see myself through the laptop. So that's what we're gonna do now. This goes into the laptop. So I'm just plugging it into the side. And then this plugs into the camera. So there's this one, it's called AV Out Digital. It's basically the only one that will fit that. So you're gonna plug it in to that. So on the back of each light, you'll see two switches. Go check it out. See the two switches? So turn them on. To turn on the ring light, there's a little dial at the bottom there that turns that on. You're gonna turn it all the way. All the way. So do you understand why we blocked out this light or no? Okay, because we're lighting it with our own lights, we don't want the natural light to come in because we're gonna do it all ourselves. So I've just shut that out so that we don't have to deal with it, because if we had that open, it might be light on one side, too light. Might as well just have it all of our light. Next, we have to turn on the camera and on the microphone. So there's a little button there and you just turn it on to the middle, not all the way to the right. And then turn the camera on. There's the on button. Okay, so there's this program right here that we click on. So there's a little bar here. This is where we can control the shutter speed, the f-stop, and the ISO. So that's how we're gonna get it basically so that we can see ourselves. So I'm gonna put this on probably 5. See how lit up that pink backdrop is? What happened? It got darker. What happened? Got darker. But what didn't get darker? You, right? Yeah, the middle. No, you were right. This light here, this is lighting you up. That's all this is doing. That and that are for the background. That's why they're not even on you. So let's turn these back on. So say you were doing a video and you just wanted you lit up. You don't have to light the background, but I am because it looks nice, right? But look, what happens when I go like this? You got darker. So if you want to light something, you got to light it even. Do you know that there's shutter speed and aperture in a camera or no? Okay, so there's two things that, well, there's 3 things that control your camera. And when I say control your camera, I mean how bright it gets and how dark it gets. So shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. So have you ever seen a photo and it's like, say it's a picture of someone and the background's really blurry, but they're in focus and it looks really cool? So that's all controlled by your f-stop. Say if I have this and I want to take a photo of it. I want it to be in focus, but I want that background to be super, super blurry. The lower F that's here, so see how when I click on this, it's F4 all the way to F11. If I wanted that background really blurry, I want that a really low number. So I'd want to put it like F4. If I wanted this in focus and the background in focus, I'd get a really high f-stop. So what would I have done if I wanted the background in focus? What would I have done? So put it at like what? Like F11, right? Yeah. So that's pretty much how you figure it out. See how this is not all pink? We got to move the camera. We want to make sure it's framed correctly. So okay, just focus the camera, right? We're focused, we're lit. We should probably check that there's a memory card in the camera, right? Because that would suck. Can you check that the microphone's on? Is it green? Yeah, you sure it's green? Yeah. Because if it's not green, it's gonna be bad news for us. Today's video is going to be the long-awaited hair journey video. I actually have a special guest. directing this video. My niece Kaylin is here. It is actually Bring Your Child to Work Day, Kid to Work Day. So she's helping me film this video. So I thought this would be fun. I think we will both have a couple of little giggles with each other. So that is the intro. You always need an intro to everything you do. You always need an outro. Remember I told you that this morning with the vlogs? There's gonna need to be a vlog outro as well. I'm gonna have photos on the screen, photos and videos. So what I need to do is I need to go to one side. So say if I go over here, that's so that I can, do you see this big space right here? That's so that I can put the video, I can play the video here. We are going to quickly jump to February of the same year. Again, I need to just say this is 2007, you guys. So I remember the end of 2007, I had actually turn off. We just actually had one of our lights blow up, okay? There was smoke. Well, this is a good vlog clip to have. So we're done filming. We've done our Instagram pic. I'm gonna show Kaylin a little bit of editing. Wow, look at you, you're hired. I got one of those Roomba, the robot vacuums. Very cool. Oh, Grandma got one until she talks about it. She copied me. And now I wanna break that. I wanna break it into two. So breaking something is Applebee. See how it now is two separate clips? Now you gotta break that. So Command B. And then some here, that's where it starts. So you can, again, you can listen to it or you can select it yourself. Are you laughing at me? She's laughing at me. Oh, this is literally where the light blew up. Like in that last shot, did you guys see? You hear it? Turn off. That's a good story for take your kid to work day. So what had happened was one of the lights that was already burnt out, it started like making this like gurgling sound. And then, did you see smoke first?
Yeah, it came out the back.
Smoke came out the back. It was also coming from inside of it. And I'm like, Kate, turn it off. So she like turns it off, and as soon as she turns it off, it just like makes this huge popping sound, and I was like, ah! But we are just editing some of the video. I just want to take her through some of the editing. I think I might show her like the thumbnail. We'll see. We have a light to put together now. So this is the light. These are where the light bulbs go in. I don't have the light bulbs yet. They should be arriving later this week, but this is the light we have to put together. This is our new light. It's like this. So basically this light's gonna go up here. This isn't like the for sure like way it's gonna be mounted. It's gonna be mounted just hang straight. Hi Gucci. You love Kay, don't you? Oh, girls. You're so cute. You're so cute. We have moved inside to the kitchen. So I'm just gonna take Kay through like a quick thumbnail. What do you notice about my thumbnails?
The rating.
They all have the same rating. So I try to keep it cohesive in that sense. We use the same text on everything. It is the end of Take Your Child to Work Day. Did you have fun? Did you learn a lot?
Yeah.
Are you gonna start a YouTube channel?
No.
Why not? Cause why?
Scared.
You're scared? It's always scary at the beginning, Kay. Make sure to subscribe. I never say that, but I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being in the video today. And say bye.
Bye. That was amazing in that. Whoa.
You were really good. What?
Nothing.
She's only shy when she thinks I'm not filming. I caught that on camera.
No.
See, now we know you're not that shy.